Pineapple contains a unique enzyme called bromelain, which offers numerous health benefits. Bromelain aids in digestion by breaking down proteins and can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and helps protect against oxidative stress. Consuming pineapple can boost your immune system, promote wound healing, and support collagen production for healthy skin and joints. It adds bulk to the stool and supports regular bowel movements, contributing to a healthy digestive system. In addition to bromelain, pineapple contains other compounds with anti-inflammatory effects, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Pineapple is a good source of essential nutrients, including manganese, vitamin B6, folate,